Guyana is experiencing phenomenal growth, but the cost of living continues to remain high. Cost of food keeps increasing daily. Former Finance Minister Winston Jordan said that it's a case of all that glitters isn't gold.
This is what is happening in Guyana. You have different growth, right? But you have no development, right? Guyana is now exhibiting the classic signs that the literature talked about as far back, I believe, as the 60s, of growth without development. Yes, you can. You have 49.7% growth, and it's about the fourth year of growth in excess of, I believe, 25% or even 30%. But yet, its impact on the standard of living of the people, has been barely seen, if seen at all.
He said that people would talk about experiencing a standard of living that's lower than before.
They will tell you that they're experiencing a standard of living that is poorer than they actually experienced 5-6 years ago. All right, and they won't be lying. The horrendous prices that they are faced in the market, and they are faced at home, and they are faced with every other thing that they consume compared to 5-6 years ago.
There are deteriorating conditions, according to Jordan. Some of these included discoloration of the water, the declining environmental conditions, the overgrown cemeteries, and the absence of electricity.
So you do have glittering growth, but you don't have the development that signifies this growth. And one of the reasons, of course, for that is that when you dissect the growth, about 90% of the growth is coming from one sector, the oil sector. The oil sector is a very capital-intensive sector. Okay, so it implies very few people and large amounts of equipment and machinery and so on. Okay, so it will eventually produce a substantial part of the GDP, but it will not filter into the economy. As you well know,
the reality is that the oil sector, other than the royalty and the percentage share Guyana enjoys, reaps the bulk of the money and gives back comparatively nothing.
The oil sector doesn't produce its own food, so whatever it doesn't import, it takes from the little bit from the local economy, and that is why you see that's a major contributor to the rapid rise in the prices for basic commodities.
He said that the local prices have gone up astronomically because the oil sector is buying up these commodities.
The good ones are getting those fantastic prices. The ones that you would normally throw away that you're going to get for free and so on, those are also going to command fantastic prices, even though they would not command as much prices as the ones that you're selling to the oil sector.
Jordan said that this will continue until the government comes up with a policy to enhance the production of non-oil goods.